So first things first, we need to have Docker install on the computer. In my case, I have a M4 machine. So there's a specific parameter that I need to pass in order to install the Docker version. I have it in my clipboard, so I just type it out and I'll go through it. What we are asking Docker to do is to grab the single store dev container or image. And then there is a parameter for root password, which is what we'll use to log into SingleStore after it has been installed. I'm just going to call it SingleStore Rocks, and we'll delete it later on, so it doesn't matter and it's local anyways. These are the ports that we'll use. And then because it's on an M series of chip, you have to also call out platform Linux AMD 64. So once I've done this, I hit enter and it should start to, if it has not downloaded it in the past, it will go download it and start to run your single store instance. So as you can see now, it's over here. So what we want to do now is to go to localhost 8080, and there's your single store instance. So I'll just click on localhost, root, and single store rocks is what I had typed in. And now you're inside of SingleStore. And again, this is a simple free for life, and you can use it for your local development. Here are your databases. Right now, there's only information schema. The next step would be to just connect this SingleStore database to your SQL client, which we'll see in a separate video.